Hey, Tony Wallace here with Business Maps Coaching and Tony Wallace Coaching. I want to talk to you a little bit about lead generation. Where does your business come from? Word of mouth? Um, does it where? I mean, does it come from advertising? Do you do social media advertising? Where does it come from? What does your lead generation look like? How do you consistently generate leads and business to keep your business not only flowing but growing? A lot of people rely on their entrepreneurial skill and the fact that they've got a great reputation in the industry and maybe in their market. But that's only going to take you so far. How do you grow to that next level? Now, we can help you develop those lead generation tools to help grow your business at the pace you want to grow it, the way you want to grow it. Tony Wallace here with Business Maps and Tony Wallace Coaching. Please reach out if you have any questions. Glad to explain a little bit more on that. Have a great day.